check out this new piece that I got. Yep, it's brown, really nice. Look at that, right? So I'm gonna show you how to cut the lace, because I know everyone's scared to cut the lace, including myself. But a little bit about this piece. It is from Wigshe. It's great for beginners. So like if you've never had a wig, this is actually my second time having a wig. So I already put it on, and it's gonna be really, really easy to do, just because you don't have to glue it down. You just put it on and you just leave and you tie your hair back, and that's it. And it's really pretty. You see like all the highlights? All right, so let's get this going. So we're gonna cut the lace. Got some scissors. Let me show you how I do this. Okay, so first, I'm gonna put my hair back. I'm gonna part it in the middle because, you know, that's like where the part is for now, because I didn't style it. It just came out of the box. So I'm gonna put my hair back, and it could kind of be like anything. Like it could seriously just be like that. No one will even notice. So perfect for newbies. And again, it's by Wigshe. Okay, so I'm gonna plop this wig on. Remember, it has like this net. So this is what we're cutting. All right. Okay. So you gotta like dip your head into the wig. So okay, so there we go. And now we're just gonna cut the lace. And I mean, this just came out of the box, so it hasn't been styled. I'm gonna cut some layers. I could totally wear it half up and half down. I mean, my hairline is kind of like goes, usually people's hairline starts like back there, but mine is like right there. So, but I could totally do like a half up, half down. I could even put like a little braid. I could do a lot of things with it, and the hairline looks so natural. So that's the hairline, and it is bleached. Okay, so let's do this. So scary. All right. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so let's get the clips. We're going to clip it. Clip. And I actually just learned how to do this. Like literally. Thank you to the person that taught me and sending me the videos, because I was freaking out. Okay, so kind of like that. You just want like all the hair out of your face, because you don't want to cut any baby hairs. Okay, that looks pretty good. You see? All right, here we go. Scissors. Let's cut this to the little back. And you always want to leave more lace and go in like a zigzag. You want to leave more lace because you can always take away from the lace, you know. And this is, whew, that was scary. So I'm obviously gonna cut more, but we're just going slow and steady, guys. That wins the race. Okay, now I'm gonna start here. Don't want to get any of these hairs, right? I think it's so scary because the wigs are expensive and we don't want to mess up the pieces. So this is it so far. Like I haven't even done, obviously you can see it. I'm gonna cut like some more off. Just until like I feel comfortable. And again, I'm not gonna be like gluing this down. And I'm not a professional. Like literally, I just learned how to do this like 2 days ago. See? Okay. Gosh, that was so scary. Now I'm gonna probably alter it more once I get off this YouTube with you. And I'm just doing this because I wanna show like newbies how to cut their wigs, and it's not so scary as you think. So I'm doing this more as like to help people, but okay, that's good for now. What do you guys think? All right, so now, whew, that was freaking intense. Let's see. Let's take this away. So what do you guys think? Now I don't even have the wig cap. I don't have the wig cap on. Not the wig cap, you know, the bands. This came in the box. So it helps you for your wig not to slip. And again, I'm gonna cut like a little bit more, probably to like there, so you can't see it. But as you can see, the lace is undetectable. You can't tell like at all. So this is what it looks like. And you could do like a half up, you know, you will put like a little piece down. Like there's so many little options. And again, that's my hair, so you want to pull that down. And I don't have the grip, but there you go. And that's how that goes. So what do you guys think? Do you love it? I love it. Okay, bye.